Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forex coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. Okay, but before we get to break it down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. But we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times, okay? So with that being said, let us dive right into this, okay? So first thing we're going to do is break down each of the currencies, okay? Now let us talk about the British pound. The British pound has been really catching a real beating over the last several months. It has not have a lot of positive economic news about the British pound, and also it also has that growing cloud of inflation that's hanging over it. And this inflation is not being driven by any type of economic woes as much as it's being driven by geopolitics related to the Russian-Ukrainian war. So as long as this war could persist on, we're going to see a continuing weakening of the major three European continents currencies, and we'll see periodic uptakes in strength as every time any positive news comes out about that particular European currency. Okay, but with the USD, we've been seeing a lot more negative news than positive news come out about it. So this is why it's been behaving so inherently weak and have been one of the weakest ones out of the major other three of the other two European continents and currencies. Okay. So with the USD, we've also been having more negative news than positive news coming out about the USD lately over throughout the latter part of last trading week, going into the beginning part of this trading week, and we're also starting to see a rise in gas prices as well, which will also lead to a weakening U.S. dollar as well. And if the CPI numbers are coming out as they expected to be, which will be record time all time highs, we're definitely going to see a continuing weakening of the US dollar as well. Okay, so it does not mean that it is getting its strength, it's becoming weak, it just means that it's weakening. Okay, and if we do get positive news about the CPI numbers tomorrow, then we can see that this weakening started turning strengthening and you see the US dollar start to gain its strength back again. Okay. So with all that said, this chart is primed for retracement, and depending on the strength of the Great British Pound, is going to really let us know how far the chart is going to retrace. Okay, if we don't start to get any positive news about the British Pound, and we can safely say that the chart is going to retrace as far as here. But if we start to get any type of moderate to more so positive news about the British Pound, we could retrace as high as here, here, or even here before we start to go back down. Okay, so basically, the way we're going to have to judge this is this: if we start getting big green candles coming in and choppy red candles going down, then we can start looking at this as aggressive retracement. Okay, but if we start getting choppy green candles coming in and more aggressive red candles going down, and this is what I mean by an aggressive red candle, then we can safely say that the sellers have not left yet, and we're going to still be looking at this for continued selling until we start to see a drastic change over in fundamentals. Okay, so like I said before, remember, if we start to have big green candles coming in, choppy red ones, that means we're going to be continuing towards a long position, as this will be considered aggressive retracement. But if we start to see choppy green candles come in and big red ones coming in, like this one here, then we can safe to say that the sellers have not left the building, and this chart is going to continue to drop in price. Okay. If you guys like our content, we ask that you please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also we ask that you please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos help pushes our content out there so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders, because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. Okay. And also, last but not least, please, guys, reach out to us and let us know what type of charts that you guys want broken down. Okay. You can reach out to us by either commenting on whatever video that you do watch, or you can reach out to us via our email or through our social media links. The links to our emails and our social medias in every description of every video. Please reach out to us and tell us which charts that you guys do want broken down so we know how to best to accommodate and to serve you. Okay? And with that being said, happy trading.